for neck pain, massage the muscles in the posterior neck using circular motions to start just across from the spine. And then you could use a slow, steady pressure, just pulling out from the midline and massaging around the cylinder of the neck. Do this for a nice minute or 3, and then work on the acupressure points. Gallbladder 20 is located at the base of the back of the head on both sides of the middle axis beside the suboccipital muscles. So for this one, you're going to find the base of the skull. Here's the midpoint. Move off a little laterally, and then move off just a little more laterally, and that's gallbladder 20. You can massage both sides with your thumbs, or if you were lying down, you could use your fingertips. And with this one, once again, hold for 1 to 3 minutes. This is a really good point for relieving headaches and pressure in the neck. From there, you can move down to gallbladder 21. So you can do some nice massage down the neck. And with gallbladder 21, it's in the upper traps between the neck and the end of the shoulders, just in the upper portion, right around here. This is a good point for neck stiffness and also any disorders of the shoulders. With this one, you can place a little more pressure down. I like to go back and forth. Sometimes I'll do circular motions if I want it to be more relaxing, but just know that you can use quite a bit of pressure on this point. Lao Zhen is a point found on the back of the hand in the depression between the second and third finger tendons. So second and third finger, find the webbing, travel up, and it's right around here. Now for this one, place your finger down, in between, and then just wait for 1 to 3 minutes. You can rub back and forth. A lot of people like to do that. And this is known as an extremely powerful point for neck pain. Try this at home. If you have any neck stiffness or pain, just rub back and forth for 1 to 3 minutes and see if you get any relief.